is Jia from me, and today I'll be explaining to you about my lesson plan. So my lesson plan is based on the Content Standard 4.0, which is to produce creative works with reference to literary text. And the learning standard that I chose is 4.2, which is use language, gestures, movements, and emotions to convey meaning in creative works. So my objective is by the end of the lesson, students will be able to write the meaning of the line that is assigned to them from the poem and to list down two emotions that the writer felt when writing this poem in graphic form for activity 1 individually. So pre-lesson, I will go in and say good morning to the class, and I will start off with a question, which is, who is the author of the poem The Road Not Taken, and what do they think of the poem because they have been reading it before they came into class. And I will also recite the poem in class. Then I will introduce the objective for the day. Activity 1, I will assign each individual to a line from the poem and will give them 3 minutes to interpret and share out their meaning by writing down on a piece of paper. Each student has to present their interpretation within a minute. And for the second activity, I will give them few emojis that shows scared, sad, angry, confused feelings. It's emoji, and they are asked to choose two that describes the writer's feeling when writing the poem. Then I will select a few of them, which is about 3 students, to read out their chosen emoji icon and explain why they chose such a thing. At the end of the class, I will recap by asking one of the students to overview the poem and assign a task for each student, which is to draw a page, a comic page, using emotions that they have picked in activity 2. I will help out those who need help, and at the end of the class, I will dismiss everyone. 18 out of 20 students are able to read, understand, and interpret the meaning of the assigned line of the poem. And all students are able to describe the writer's emotion when writing the poem. We chose cognitivism as part of our teaching approach in our lesson plan, and that is because learning must be self-directed, and learning must come from analysis to discovery. They will analyze the stanzas, the lines of the poem, and they will discover the meaning of the poem itself. And this helps students to understand and explore connections between different ideas, as everyone will be stating their perspective of the line of the poem. They are able to connect with one another and overall have a view of the poem. So that is all from my side. Thank you very much.